Donnie at Eugene as jurados, how would you rate their performance as the new set of jurados in PGT?
Oh, did I yes?
Firstly, all these years, no, we've been doing the PGT and we were absent for 7 years. And I was asking Donnie, ano kaya makikita natin ngayon dito? After 7 years, can we still get the best talents? Kasi nawala na yan eh, the search for the best talents. And he said, what did you call it, sir? Marami na yung bagong technology ngayon na makikita siguro tayo, no? Incorporate sa talent na mag-perform sa PGT. And sure enough, no? The talents that we have right now have developed. I would say that they could be compared to world-class acts. Maganda, maraming maganda. Ngayon, sa mga kasama ko naman sa judging, I think I have the best chemistry of judges. I have the best chemistry of hosts. And you would see this, the season 7 of PGT as going to be one of the best. Ang gagaling nila, talagang bumilib ako. I was surprised the way they talk to the talents, the way they ask questions, the way they scrutinize. Sabi ko, mas magaling pa ito sa akin ha. Pero bilib ako, ang gagaling nila. Si Catherine, si Lugue, si Donnie, at yung dalawa nating host. So, ang gagaling nila. Sabi mo nga eh, pwede bang bantayan ni Robbie and Delay, yung si Billy and because they were working for 6 years. It should have bago lang. But surprisingly, I think we are going to have the best shows because of the chemistry of these people.
Ngayon, ano yung nag-iiba? What's the difference na ikaw naman yung tutulong sa pag-scout ng next great thing sa Filipino talent dito sa bagong season na to?
Yeah, it's different. It's so different. You know, nag-set naman ako sa utak ko. Nag-set na ako na, okay, it's gonna be a different experience. Pero iba pala, pag nandyan ka na, talaga. Alam mo yung minsan pag uwi ko from taping, iniisip mo pa, i-recap ko lahat ng mga nakita ko na performances that day. And then iisipin ko hanggang makashower, hanggang nasa bed ka, if tama yung mga nabigay kong advice and yung mga yeses and nos na binigay ko that day. Because, like yung sinabi kanina, I think that was one of the first few questions. Meron kaming power to change a person's dream or to make that dream come true. We can be part of that dream. So our yeses, it's so powerful. And yung no's namin, it's so hard to say no. Parang sinabi ko, kung ako lang siya na as staff, Diyos ko, ang dali-dali kong patawanin, pasayahin. Pero kailangan din syempre, we're here representing Pilipinas Got Talent, and I'm one of the judges, so we have to perform as well. So siguro yun yung iba, so iba yung environment, but this time, ang galing niya kasi ang dami din naming natututunan sa mga nag-audition. So, di ba, akala nyo kami yung nagme-mentor sa kanila. But then, feeling ko, ang dami ko natututunan sa bawat nagpe-perform. And growing up, siguro, I'm just very lucky na I was surrounded, and I'm still surrounded with a lot of people. Parang I have my mentors, so like, I have Tita Cory, I have CLK, I have Inang, Derek, Cathy. I have these people na umalalay sa akin at umaalalay sa akin hanggang ngayon. And sobrang grateful ko sa mga tao na yun. And now I think it's time to share what I've learned through the years. I know na I'm very young, I'm not experienced enough, but I think this is my way of paying it forward sa kanila naman na I think ito yung personal na experience ko, and I think this will help you. So when I'm there, it's me as a judge, yes, but I want to be that person na you can talk to as your friend, as your sister. I want to be that heart sa panel na magiging comfortable ka. So ayun, that's what I'm trying to do every episode. I keep that in mind. And nagpapasalamat lang ako sa lahat ng mentors ko through the years, and hopefully this time, ako naman yung makakatulong sa mga sasali pa dito sa Pilipinas Got Talent. So yes, it's different, but I think this is my way of saying thank you. So sana may matutunan naman sila. Let's just enjoy. Yes.
At magaling na hurado. Siyempre, coming from diba, doon sa magpasikat ng It Showtime. Ano yung reaction mo dito sa papuri na natatanggap mo?
Reaction ko?
Reaction niya. Reaction niya.
Hindi, ako po, to be honest, well, nasa-shock pa rin ako kasi hindi, yung magpasikat first of all, hindi naman yun talaga plano. I mean, hindi yun planado. Parang, it just so happened na kailangan nila ng extra judge or they asked me if, I had a spare week to be able to attend yung Showtime. And sa totoo lang, nag-no ako. Kasi iniisip ko, ano namang sasabihin ko dyan? Tsaka, anong ambag ko dyan? Hindi ko naman deserve na kasama ko yung, at that time, hindi ko alam kung yun yung lineup, but still, the lineup that we ended up with, diba? Grabe yung bigatin yung mga kasama ko. Si Sir FMG pa lang, diba? So, yun, to be honest, nag-no ako. Sabi ko, I'm not sure if I'm ready yet. Kasi hindi ko alam kung yung sasabihin ko at yung ikikritik ko, tama. Kasi syempre doon sa magpasikat, puro artista. May mga people who've gone before me. I'm not critiquing just anyone. So, this is something that, medyo siguro nahiya ako. But when they said, yes po. But when they said, it's something new, just give it a try, and magpasikat is, something they do once a year lang, and it's a fun opportunity. Sabi, after a bit of convincing, sige, sabi ko, itatry ko talaga. So, hindi ko naman po in-expect na ganito po yung magiging kalabasan nun. Ako, I'm just very grateful na siguro yun po ang nakita nila. But to be honest, I'm just speaking from what I feel. And I'm just speaking from my heart, what really genuinely feels right. So, again, when they offered even PGT, just the thought of it, sa totoo lang po, sobra akong nag-isip nun kung i-consider ko po siya. Kasi same reasons. I didn't know if, it might be too early, if I even deserve to sit alongside such amazing judges. And of course, syempre, yung talent na lahat ng contestants natin. So ako, I just promised na I'm just gonna give it my all and I'm gonna keep learning. Kasi I'm entering here, learning so much already from everyone here. From Sir FMG, Kath, Miss Uge, even our hosts. Every day, bago yung knowledge na nakikita ko and nararamdaman ko. And yung chemistry ng lahat, feel ko talaga na everyone's here for the same purpose. So, to answer your question, my pressure, for sure. So, I'm just here as someone who is very new with an open mind, just to see where this will go. But I promise to give it my all, and I promise na maghahanap talaga tayo ng talent na worthy of being called the next champion of PGT.
Pero congratulations, she rose to the occasion. At saka ang ganda, mapipili niya.
Actually, yes, nag-briefing na kami with a consultant coming from Got Talent, the franchise. And for this season, just like the previous season, meron din kaming golden buzzer nila. Yes, kung gagamitin namin or hindi sa isang talent, yun ang pag-uusapan namin. Pero si Melay,
maraming salamat, Sir Ray Valera.
Si Ray Valera yan! Lagi na
Kami namang dalawa, we respect each other. Kung ano yung naramdaman namin ko dahil na-feel ko na itong talent na ito at pang golden buzzer. Pero hindi pa niya na-feel, so we respect. Pero pag na-feel namin, yung na-feel talaga namin dalawa, doon talaga namin i-golden buzzer. So, exciting ang aming gagawin na golden buzzer. You have to watch this.
walang BTR.
Walang BTR. Sorry.
Yun, at least meron kayong golden buzzer.
Meron kami
Yes, may
power
golden
this
buzzer
season.
kami.
May panlaban din kayo.
At kayo din, meron din kayo.
Ano?
Golden Basher.
Yeah, sure. Pwede.
Church lang.
Thank you very much sa
Thank you.
congrats sa lahat.